In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Notion Calendar. By the end, you'll have the app installed and ready to use, with a clear sense of what to expect along the way. First things first, Notion Calendar is its own dedicated application. It's connected to the Notion ecosystem, but it doesn't live inside the main Notion app. That means you'll download and install it separately, just like any other program on your computer. Start by heading to Notion's official website in your web browser and navigating to the Notion Calendar page. Always use the official site to make sure you're getting the most up-to-date and secure version. Look for the download button that matches your device, Windows or Mac, and click to begin. Your browser may ask where to save the file. Choosing your default downloads folder keeps things easy to find. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a moment. That's completely normal. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder to locate the file. On Windows, it will typically be an .exe file. On Mac, it's usually a DMG. Double-click the file to launch the installer. If your system shows a security prompt letting you know the app is from the internet or asking for permission to run, that's expected for new software. Go ahead and confirm to proceed. From there, follow the on-screen instructions. You might be asked to agree to terms, choose an install location, or enter your device password. If you're not sure about any options presented, the default selections usually work great for most users. After you confirm, the installer will do the rest. You'll see a progress bar or status indicator while the files are being copied and set up. Try not to close the installer early, just give it a moment to complete. When the installation finishes, Notion Calendar will open automatically. On the first launch, it may take a few extra seconds to get everything ready, so don't worry if it pauses briefly. That's all there is to it. Download from the official Notion site, open the file you just downloaded, double-click the installer, follow the prompts, and wait for the setup to complete. Keeping your internet